Hi, everybody. My name is Jared Jim, and I'm a senior in the Technical Entrepreneurship and Management program over in the IRA Fulton School of Engineering. And this is my exit interview video that I'm doing for my TEM482 Startup Workshop class. Um, Basically, I'm just going to talk about what I learned this semester and what I've taken away from ASU so far. One of the biggest things I've learned this semester in this course for in particular was building an idea, starting up with my idea and then building it into an actual business venture, starting from just the plain old idea and how I'm going to be aiming that towards the community that I want or the type of product or services and forming it into what exactly I want it to be. I think some very helpful things were coming from week one. Starting it with a custom profile, trying to figure out what type of customer gains, customer jobs, customer pains that I'm going to be trying to aim my venture towards. Then leading on to a value map and trying to figure out the pain relievers, the gain creators of my venture, and seeing if it's worthwhile. Seeing if it's going to be worthwhile in the long run. And even coming up with my rough draft, my canvas, you know, learning about the different parts of the canvas that are really great with starting up a business, the major parts of a canvas, which is basically the major parts of a business, anything from starting from key partners to key activities and key resources and how they link together and how they link the value proposition. The entire canvas itself links everything together, and the way that it's outlined just totally makes sense with how they're all linked and how they all communicate and how each part is important. A value proposition, um, the customer relationships with different channels that are able to utilize those customer relationships into the customer segments. And of course, you got the finances of it all, which is the cost structure and the revenue streams of it. And overall, throughout this entire semester, I've just been learning about those key concepts and fine tuning it into my venture, getting feedback from my different classmates, and it's been great. I've learned a lot. I've been getting the feedback and putting it into my final canvas. And throughout the semester, we've just been trying to. I've just been trying to fine tune my venture itself. I've made a few changes. I've cut back on a few things, added more things. One thing I cut back was on the different type of services that the IT cafe venture is going to be delivering. Like, it's not an entire service end all be all, but it's enough service to get something started or get a customer going and understanding of what's going on with the computer if they need any assistance with it. And of course, it's going to go to other things like cell phones and any and everything technology wise. As time goes on, we'll get more in tune with different types of technology that's going to be out there, maybe even game systems if it comes down to that. Making a midterm video pitch and a final video pitch has been helpful as well. Learning to aim my venture towards investors or customers and making the actual video pitches fun. And I learned how to use iMovie on the iMac, which I never really done before. So getting into a media design in that aspects, and just it's Skyping with my classmate, talking about our different ventures, bouncing ideas off of each other. And oh, of course, one of the most important things about this whole semester and this whole course was the customer discovery, getting different customer feedbacks. I wanted to hit a lot of people, so I basically just did a survey and sent the survey to Shiprock, New Mexico, where my venture is going to be at, and everybody on my venture or everybody on my customer discovery is in Shiprock or has lived a big part of their life in Shiprock. So I made sure to have that targeted audience and the targeted customer discovery option. And it's been great learning from them, getting feedback from them, trying to figure out, okay, if this is going to work. And for the most part, it looks like it's going to work. And the majority of my customers and the feedback that I've gotten has been positive. And my goals in my career and education is to do this program proud. I'm very grateful that I've found this program. It's been very helpful. I've done a lot in this program. I feel like in the long term, I'm going to be starting up my own business in Shiprock. As of right now, I'm going to be working and here in Tempe, Phoenix, the Valley area, and starting, getting either going to be with like this venture or a different type of venture in Shiprock. And so far, this venture has been panning out to be great with the feedback I've been getting and the canvas that I created and the value proposition that I created. Everything looks great on it, and I think this is something I can potentially do within a year. And sort of that's my creating a business in Shiprock is my long term goal. Short term goal right now is just to learn as much as I can in my career in different jobs and different prospects, different coworkers, building off that, building my self esteem and building networking and getting more in tune with IT as that's what my career is right now. And I feel like this major helped me get more of a repertoire with becoming a manager in IT and getting more into management. And I feel like that's going to pay off in the long run too. I'm too young to be a manager, but as long as I keep on working, I will eventually be a manager and a business owner in the future. And as far as I can tell, this is what I've learned from this class and or from this semester and from ASU. I really don't have anything else to say besides thank you, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.